deranged maniac.
I'll deal with it.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing here? What happened to your face?
So you left these at my apartment, and I wanted you to have them.
David, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing at my house?
Well, I came to see you.
Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
You would have said I couldn't.
Why are you covered in sweat? Did you bike here? Why?
I don't know. It was nice out. I didn't really give it much thought. I just sort of did it. Look, can we please talk?
Okay, fine. Mom, I'm going out for like 1 minute. I'll be right back, okay? Okay. Let's go down and talk down here.
It's nice to see you.
What happened to you?
I got beat up by Ace. I mean, I deserved it, you know? I don't think I have the constitution to be a drug dealer. I mean, you know that. I came to tell you that I miss you. And that I took you for granted, and that I know that I took you for granted, and that I'm really, really sorry that I took you for granted. I'm making some of the changes that we talked about, you know?
You're still working though?
Not anymore. I can live off my savings for a while, you know? I made like $25,000-ish, so I feel like that should be all right.
There was $25,000 under that bed I was sleeping in?
Probably more like 15 to 18,000 when you slept in it, but
Whatever, though, it's not worth it. You know that.
I know.
Do you think that writing job's gonna work out?
Definitely not, but I've been applying to a lot of other stuff. But I feel like this might be off-putting to potential employers, but
Hey.
Hi.
that's your ex-boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think probably you should.
Yeah. I'm so frustrated with myself. I don't know why I do stupid things. I'm just like kind of a fucking idiot, you know? Could I tell you a secret?